last video we saw the lead code contains duplicate element. I'll just brief the question once more. So in this question there is an array that is given to you and you have to tell if any of the element is at least repeated once. So if it is repeated you just have to return true, and if it is any of the element is not repeated you have to return false. So in our last video we saw a solution where we made use of arrays.sort. We sorted the array and iterated over each element, check the next number. If it is same then we used to return true. So for detailed solution you can visit the last video. So let's see another method here. So in this, instead of using the arrays.sort, we tend to use the hash set variable. So hash set feature, you know that hash set does not contain duplicate. So and has a feature to check if con contains method is there that will tell if the element is already present or not. So what we will do here, we will create a hash set, and we will just check if the element is present in it or not, and else we will add, and then next time if the element is added and next time we visit it, it will say the element is already present. So let's see. So the solution would be like this. Let's create a hash set integer. Let's name it as set new hash set. We have initialized the hash set. Then let's iterate over each element. 0 I less than less than 0, I is less than 0, nums length less than nums of length I plus plus. Now if set dot contains nums of I, what we say return true, because if the element is present, if we see that element again, then we are returning true. And if this is not the case, in the else part we just go and add the element. So set dot add nums of I, we add the element. If none of the condition is satisfied, then we just return false. So we can have to remove from here and take here. So let's go over the element. So we needed to create a hash set. We have created a hash set named set. We are iterating over each element and checking if the set already contains that element. If the element is present, then we return true, else we just add the element in the set. And if we are out of the for loop, then we are just returning it false. So we can submit this code and see the results. So yes, it is getting submitted. So yeah, so our solution is submitted. So this is another approach that we can use for finding out the duplicate element. The feature that we are using here is that hash set does not contain duplicate, and it has a method that tells you that if the element is present or not. Thank you.